Imagine if your body could heal itself, not just manage symptoms, but actually repair damaged tissues and organs. That's the power of stem cell therapy, a groundbreaking treatment transforming medicine for numerous conditions. So, what exactly is stem cell therapy? Stem cell therapy is a revolutionary treatment that taps into the body's most powerful natural tool, stem cells, the master cells capable of transforming into muscle, nerve, blood, bone, and even organ tissue. Here's how it works. Stem cells are collected from sources like bone marrow, fat tissue, or umbilical cord blood. These cells are then purified, processed, and injected into the damaged or diseased area. Once inside, they trigger the body's natural healing by replacing dead or weak cells and reducing inflammation. It's not science fiction, it's happening now. So, who can benefit from this therapy? Patients with injuries or chronic diseases where tissue repair is needed often turn to stem cells for help. What is the cost of stem cell therapy? The cost of stem cell therapy depends on the condition being treated, the type of stem cells used, and the complexity of the process. In India, the treatment is more affordable with costs typically starting from 15 lakhs, approximately $18,000 for medically approved and regulated therapies. This makes India a preferred destination for high quality yet affordable stem cell therapy, attracting patients from all over the world. Patients report significant benefits: reduced pain, improved mobility, faster recovery times, and in many cases, a marked improvement in quality of life. Clinical studies continue to validate its effectiveness, especially in orthopedics, neurology, cardiology, autoimmune disorders, and regenerative medicine, making stem cell therapy a promising option when conventional treatments fall short. Now, let me tell you why patients across the globe are choosing India. India is fast becoming a global leader in stem cell therapy for several reasons. First, it has world-class hospitals equipped with latest technology and internationally trained specialists. Second, India's regulatory environment supports ethical and innovative research, with numerous clinical trials underway that ensure patients receive safe, cutting-edge care. Finally, thousands of patients from across the world travel to India for advanced stem cell therapies, combining affordability with quality and expertise.